Hello everyone, now I'm going to start chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is linear equation in one variable. Now here we will learn that what do you mean by variable. Now variable means which comes from a word vary. It means value is not fixed. Okay. Now suppose if I write say x, y, z, a, b, c, these all are variable because value of these are not same, are not fixed. Now there is another word which is called constant. Now constant means fixed value. Value is fixed here. If I write say 5, 6 or -10, 9, these all are constant. Now this variable and constant makes algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Suppose say if I write 5x plus 3, this is an algebraic expression. Now here see, this is one term, this is another term, and here one variable is used and one constant is used. That means variable and constant make algebraic expression, and here this is one term and this is one term. This can be written as 5 into x, so this is one term and this is another term. Now if I write say 3x, this is also an expression. If I write 3xy plus 4, this is also an expression. So these all are expression. Now here it is said that one variable. Now if you see in this expression, only one variable is used, which is x. Now if you see this expression, here two variable is used, which is x and y. So here we'll be doing only one variable. Now suppose if I write say 4x plus 3, so this is an expression in one variable because here one variable is used. So this is an expression, algebraic expression. Now now what do you mean by equation? If I write say 4x plus 3 is equals to 12. Now here left hand side is there and there is something under left hand side and there is something under right hand side, and in between equal sign is there. Then it is said to be an equation. Now if I write say 4y plus 5 is equals to 0, this is also an equation. Why? Because left hand side is there, right hand side is there, and in between equal sign is there. Now see, here it is said that equation in one variable. That means if you see in this equation, only this one variable is used, which is x, and if you see in this expression, in this equation, only y variable is used. That means this is called equation in one variable. Now what do you mean by linear? Linear equation in one variable. Now see, if you see the power of x, it's 1. If you see the power of y, it's also 1. That's why this is called linear equation in one variable. So in this equation, what we have seen that this is an equation as a left hand side and right hand side is there, and in between equal sign is there. That's why this is an equation, and here we can see that only one variable is used, and linear means power of the variable will be 1. Now if I write say 5x square plus 9 is equals to 0. So here power is 2, so this is not a linear equation. Or if I write say 3x cube plus 2 is equals to 9, this is also not a linear equation, as power of the variable is not 1 here. Now we will see how to solve linear equation in one variable. Now suppose we'll see how to solve it. suppose the equation is, say, x plus 5 is equals to 7. So this is LHS and this is RHS, and in between equal sign is there. That means this is an equation. Now how to solve it? See, we will always, this is the variable and these are constants, so we will find the value of the variable. Now how to find the value of the variable? So since we are finding the value of the variable which is x, so x will be alone. So here we are writing x, so we will just shift 5 on another side. So 7 is there on the right hand side, so 7 we are putting here. Now 5 is going to another side. So always remember, while solving the equation, you will have to just see that if the digit is having addition sign, after changing the side it will be subtraction. Subtraction will be addition. Okay, so here since this digit is having plus sign, so after changing the side it will be minus. Now, so 7 minus 5, 2. So the value of the variable is 2 here. So here we have seen in case of addition. Now suppose taking another equation in which, say, minus sign is there. Say x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now see here, if the digit, we will find the value of the variable, so x will be alone, put equal sign. Now subtraction, if the digit is having minus sign, then after changing the side it will be addition. So minus 4 will be plus 4, so value of the variable will be 4. Now we will see in case of multiplication. So if the digit is having multiply sign, then after changing the side it will be division, and division will be multiplication. So here suppose the equation is, say, 2y is equals to 10. Now 2y means 2 into y is equals to 10. Now we are here value is here variable is y, so y will be alone. Now we'll shift 2 on another side. See here multiply sign is there. So multiply, if the digit is having multiply sign, then it will be division after changing the side. So 10 is there only, sitting on the right hand side. So 10 will be sitting there only. So will be divided by 2 because multiply will be division. So 2 5s are 10. So value of the variable which is y is 5. Now we'll see in case of division. Suppose the equation is, say, x by 4 is equals to 5. Put this imply sign. Now see, if division is there, then after changing the side it will be multiplication. So here since we will find the value of the variable which is x, and see this 4, x divided by 4 is there, so division will be multiplication. So here 5 is there, so 5 will be multiplied by 4. So value of the variable will be 20. So what we have seen here, plus will be minus, minus will be plus, multiply will be division, and division will be multiply. And let's take an example. Say 4x minus 5 is equals to 7. So we will solve this. Now we will find the value of x here. So we will since we are finding the value of x, so x will be alone, and step by step we will just remove these numbers. So at first we will remove 5. Now see, this 5 is having negative sign, so after changing the side it will be plus. So what we are getting, 4x is equals to 12. Now 4 is multiplied by x, 4x means 4 into x. So when you are finding the value of x, so it will be division. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So in this way we will solve the equation. Thank you, students.